Hey there, political enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's both fascinating and a bit unnerving. Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa's recent actions and statements have sparked a lot of debates. Is he truly concerned about external threats, or is there something deeper at play here? So let's set the stage. Mnangagwa, who took power in 2017 after the ousting of Robert Mugabe, has always had a complex relationship with former colonial powers. But recently his rhetoric has taken a sharper turn. He's been vocal about perceived threats from neighbouring countries. South Africa's ANC, forming a coalition government, and the USS involvement in Zambia have particularly caught his attention. At first glance, these might seem like standard geopolitical concerns. But when you dig deeper, it starts to look like something else. Mnangagwa has been framing these developments as part of a grand imperialist plot against Zimbabwe. He's often quick to dismiss issues within his own government and instead point fingers at supposed foreign interference. This begs the question, is this paranoia about losing power? Consider this: Zimbabwe has faced significant economic challenges since its land reform program in the early 2000s. The program, intended to correct colonial-era land imbalances, ended up causing serious disruptions. Timber forests, once a key source of foreign currency, were destroyed. The economy took a nosedive, and recovery has been slow and painful. Now, Mnangagwa's administration is under pressure. Economic instability, corruption, and human rights abuses have plagued his government. Instead of addressing these issues head-on, Mnangagwa seems to be deflecting attention to external threats. His claims about imperialist plots might resonate with some of his base. After all, the scars of colonialism run deep in Zimbabwe. But to others, it looks like a tactic to consolidate power and suppress dissent. By framing the narrative around external enemies, he can justify heavy-handed measures and maintain control. This strategy isn't new. Leaders around the world have often used external threats to bolster their grip on power, but for Zimbabwe, this approach could be particularly damaging. It risks further isolating the country and undermining efforts at genuine democratic progress. So, what does this mean for Zimbabwe's future? Well, it's a mixed bag. On one hand, Mnangagwa's tactics might help him stay in power in the short term, but in the long run, it could exacerbate the very issues he's trying to deflect from. Economic recovery and political stability require addressing internal problems, not just blaming external forces. As political enthusiasts, it's crucial to keep a close eye on these developments. Mnangagwa's actions and rhetoric are more than just political posturing. They reflect deeper insecurities and challenges facing Zimbabwe. Understanding these dynamics can help us make sense of the broader geopolitical landscape in the region. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into political issues around the world. Until next time, stay curious and informed.